Who are you? I don't know you. Strange animal. Come on, Bridget. So it's sort of high tide today, and it's Saturday, so put some groups down here doing tocino and all that. Bridget loves to come down here. This is Bridget's favorite time of the day. Actually, Bridget is thrilled when Chichai comes over in the afternoon because she knows
It's beach time.
it's time to go to the beach. And even though Silliman Beach isn't like the cleanest beach around, all the vendors and stuff too put a lot of effort into raking everything up and all that. Skimboard. And they got little barbecue eateries all over here. Sari-saris. And a hot day, and today was 91 degrees. Today was hot. And I'm sorry, I'm American, so I don't know Celsius. But today was hot, so it's nice and cool down here. It's got a breeze coming in. And if you notice, there's Cebu over there. Can't really see Cebu all that well. And Sikiho are supposed to be over there. Pero with the haze from the Indonesian fires for the palm oil plantations, that's kind of missing in action. And somewhere over here is Bridget's friend, Chica. And we're gonna see if we can find Chica. There's Maldita and her daughter Chica, Bridget's best friend. And Maldita was the one who used to ambush Bridget. She'd run up from behind and knock her over. Bridget would scream. Yeah.
We can pet them before even Chica.
Yeah. They weren't very friendly. And meanwhile, Bridget's still over eating shit. She just finds, I don't know what chicken bones, fish bones, crab shells.
Look, she wants a pet.
Bonding. And I've done this video before. These are all Mountain Dew bottles. That radiator green. This is a plane right here. And this is a turtle. And over here is the Mountain Dew helicopter, which is pretty cool. Gentlemen. And a Christmas tree. A lot of fishermen hang their boats out here during the day too. And Bridget's found Bridget found some, oh man. Now you look at all the lamigas, all the red ants, those things, painful bite. And Bridget's about to get bit. She's getting bit. See, she's shaking her nose, look at her. Yeah, it hurts, right? Getting bit by lamigas. Here's a good example of a homemade fish trap. Got the rocks there for getting it down. These are all handmade, fabricated, and it's pretty intricate craftsmanship that goes into these things. These are big ones. So these are catching fish, crustaceans, all that stuff. I want one of these. Yeah. Someday. Alright, so we're down at the Sari-Sari where we always hang out. And that's Chica right there. She's the daughter of Maldita, who used to ambush Bridget when Bridget was a puppy. Maldita would attack from behind and knock her over. And they've been playing a little rough lately.
Bridget's a bully.
Yeah, Bridget's a bully. And I'm hoping Chica kicks her butt. Bites her good on the nose or something. Because, what's her name? Bridget hasn't got her first scar yet. I gotta sniff butts. Now there's a lot of Ascals down at Silliman Beach, but they're all well behaved. Actually, we've been down here so much we now know all the dogs' names. And much like a dog park, Zumageti Dog Park, because people bring all their dogs down here, everybody, you know the person by their dog's name, not by their name.
You already know Jumbo.
Jumbo and Rambo.
Barney.
Alright, so this is Pan Duck. You might remember her from earlier videos, and she was Bridget's first friend down here. Pan Duck is very nice. And she was super pregnant. And she had her puppies the other day. She had 4 puppies.
Fortunately,
3 of them died, and then the last one died last night. so she's got no puppies now. So that's sad. Walay itoy. Hey buddy. He's a good girl. It's alright, you can try again. You're still young and attractive. The world is your oyster. Pandak means short legs. Where's the kitten? That's nice. Way to talk with you. Oh, Pandak. And oh, there's another one. Speaking of kittens, look at this shit. I got another kitten. See, now what's weird is I wish I had gotten video of this. A little tiny kitten had imprinted on Pandak as her mother. And this was before she got pregnant and had the puppies. And so they'd sleep together and everything. It was really cute. But I guess after she gave birth, she's been like chasing the kitten away. Probably because the kitten's been trying to breastfeed off her. And this is the sari we go to every day. We always get pillows. These are actually good choco-filled crackers. And these would make like a good breakfast cereal. Just add milk, yeah. These are good, man. And we get a little Zacto, Sprite, Coke. Oh, so this is the kitten. This is the kitten that imprinted on Pandak. And now Pandak won't let her near her. She's mad. Oh.
She hates her already.
Oh, so you got nobody? No mommy?
Mingo will be jealous.
Yeah. And this is where Chichai got her cat, her gay cat, Mingoy. Or as we call him, Mingay. Poor Pandak. Oh, you look so sad. You look so sad. We'll bring you a treat tomorrow. She's bereaved. Oh, that's tough. And you got more kittens. It's always more kittens.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Oh,
It's a girl.
it's a girl. Yes, a girl. And at the far end of Silliman Beach, literally, is the airport. That's the end of the runway over there. Maybe, if we're lucky, we'll be able to get some video footage of a plane taking off or landing. There's a little river over there, fresh water. That's where all the beach dogs get their fresh water.
Chica's coming.
Chica's coming. Chica, chica, chica. Oh. And they're off.
So fast.
And there's also a flight school here. So if you're interested in learning how to fly, there's one of the Cessna, I think it's a C-170 or 172. And all they do is touch and go all day, because I guess prospective pilots have to get a certain number of takeoffs and landings. So they take off, they turn around, they land, take off, and the dogs are in the water. This is that freshwater stream. Comes down alongside the highway. And the locals actually cross over. There's a security guard over there. And the locals cross over there because there's a squatter area right across from the highway. And that's the Royale Flight School right there. It's cool. The water, the river water here, the fresh water is cold. And the ocean water is a lot warmer. Uh-oh. Take a break, take a break. Chica's taking a break. Everybody's taking a break. And as you get closer to the waves coming in, the brackish water gets warmer. There you go. So yeah, this is, and Dumaguete Negros is actually building a new airport, allegedly down in Bacong. We'll find out if that's true. But this is all reclaimed. They built this out because it's a short runway. And that national highway is literally right next door. we'll go over here. Go over here and check it out. That looks kind of grimy. Ish. Alright, so I crossed over. Little river. Dogs are still playing. And this all right here is bracken. And man, the thorns and needles on these. I mean, look at that, man. That's brutal. And there's bracken all growing right along the side here. So the kids like to go swimming and jumping off the rocks at the end because it's deeper water. So they usually cross in the water and go over there.